Hi, Taylor Smith from Bridge Crew here, and I'm going to talk about Chekhov's new secret scanning capability. Now, secrets are anything like a password or API key that, if given to a bad actor, they will be able to do damage to digital assets. We've seen public horror stories of AWS bills of over $600,000 in one day after a secret was exposed. Now, we've had this capability already in the Bridge Group platform where we can identify secrets in runtime, but that's a little too late. What Checkov does is it will scan for secrets in your infrastructure as code templates so that you can remove those before they ever hit a public repo or production. And we do this through using three identifiers. So we have regular expressions, keywords, and entropy. Now, regular expressions are anything that follow a common pattern. So AWS access keys commonly start with AK and then a string of alphanumeric characters. Similarly, there are common patterns across these other key types that we will identify and flag. The next two are related in that keywords will identify keywords that are preceding a string, such as password, PWD, or API key, that usually signals a secret. And entropy will find anything that's very far from the human language. So because we like to use random digits that are generated by a computer, usually that's very different than the English language. So even this XKCD example where correct horse battery staple, if that were one word, that would not look anything like anything in the English language. So that's very far from the English language, or if there are a lot of symbols or numbers, then we would flag that as a high entropy string. Now, either one of these could be very noisy. Maybe you have password in the string, in the name of a variable, but it's not actually a password that follows it, or PWD maybe references something company specific. Also, high entropy strings, sometimes it could just be a character or variable name. So combining these two brings down the noise a little bit, brings you fewer false positives, but it still flags very common passwords or secrets that are in infrastructure as code templates. So I'm going to walk through an example. So I'm in the TerraGoat repo right now, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scan it with Checkov. I'm just going to do the AWS Lambda Terraform template. And what you'll notice after it's done scanning is we have a whole bunch of misconfigurations like you'd expect. And then at the very bottom, there's this new section called Secret Scanning Results. And this will identify different secrets that we've identified. So we have two failed checks. And one of them is an AWS access key. That is that regular expression I was talking about. And you can see the access key here and how it starts with that common pattern of an AWS access key. And then one of them is a high entropy string. So we have this secret key here, and that is obviously not any word in any language. So it's a high entropy string. It's also preceded with underscore string, key, and secret. So that in combination looks like a password. So you can try this out for yourself now. This is in our open source Checkov platform today. Give it a shot and let us know what you think. Also, you can check out the blog for more information, and give us a star on GitHub if you like what you see.